Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am gonna blow your mind with some seriously awesome modern living room and wall decorating ideas. Trust me, you are gonna want to stick around for every second of this video because I have got some jaw-dropping inspiration headed your way. Let's dive right in. Now, when it comes to modern living room decor, sleek and minimalistic designs are all the rage. We are talking clean lines, bold colors, and smart furniture choices. One of my absolute favorites is the concept of an open concept living room. Yep, that's right. Say goodbye to those stuffy walls and hello to a spacious light filled oasis. Imagine walking into a living room that seamlessly flows into the kitchen and dining area. Picture those beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. Personally, I love how this layout encourages conversation and creates a warm, welcoming vibe that's perfect for entertaining guests. Not into the whole single piece statement, no problem. The gallery wall trend is here to save the day. Pick your favorite frames, prints, or even mirrors and arrange them in a cohesive yet electric manner. These techniques allow you to showcase your personality and create a captivating focal point that will leave your visitor in awe. It's time to transform your living room into a masterpiece. But hi, the fun factor doesn't end here. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know which idea you are most excited to try. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more mind-blowing decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.